right, so special thanks to XREXS for sending me one of their large clocks. This one you can see is the XREXS large digital clock, gym, office, or classroom. Now this one's labeled as being red because there's white, red, and blue. Count up and down timer, and that's the front with tons of little specs, button, battery, memory timer, count up and down timer, dual use, everything we should need. So XREXS logo there. So let's open this up. Take out our phone. Oh wow, so it's got a little remote. Very cool. You can change stuff from the remote. That's nice. Foam. There's our power cable. Very nice little power cable. Okay, and then that's it for the box. This is the actual item here. Plus the manual. It comes with a manual. This is also for your mounting holes, so that makes life a little easier. Brightness, auto, high, low, timer, alarm set, Fahrenheit, 1224, set snooze. And this is the front. Let's peel this on off. Well, we'll have to get this thing set up, and then we'll see exactly what this thing looks like on the wall. Alrighty, so this one has the outlet right here for the plug, so we can run our cable down this little cable way there and pop our back on. There we go. And then all we got to do is plug this in somewhere. And the cable length on it, this is a good, this one's definitely almost 6 feet. Hold on, let me drop it down. Have it touch the ground. Yeah, that's 6 feet easily, if not 7. All right, let's plug this in. And it is plugged into the wall, and it has
it automatically comes up. You don't even have to set it.
Seems like it. 304.
7.
Currently 306 according to the elect. But the date's right. Tuesday. It's the 7th. So that's yeah, look at that. So definitely very bright numbers there. You could see that from way across the room. But that's what this could look like. You could place it anywhere. You can run that 6 or 7 foot cable and have you a super nice clock with alarms and everything. And also, I haven't even pulled this out of the plastic yet, but it has a remote to change a lot of the settings, on, off, alarms, 12-hour, minutes, seconds, etc. So when it's time to change the clock, you don't got to take it down. You can just use the remote. That'll do it for this XREXS clock.